Hello everyone, welcome once again. In today's video, I am going to start our next exercise of set theory exercise 1.2. So let's start with our first question. Our first question is, which of the following are examples of the null set? The first one is set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Because there is no odd number divisible by 2, that's why this is a null set. Set of even prime numbers, this is not a null set. Why? Because 2 is the least prime number, which is even number also. And the third one is x, such that x is a natural number, x is strictly less than 5 and x is strictly greater than 7. This is null set. This is null set because a number can't be simultaneously less than 5 and greater than 7. Okay. Now the next one is y. Y is a point common to any two parallel lines. This is also a null set. Why this is a null set? Because पैरेलल लाइन नेवर इंसेक्ट टू ईच अदर. ये दो पैरेलल लाइन से कहीं पे भी एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करते, तो दैट्स व्हाई यू विल नॉट गेट एनी कॉमन पॉइंट ऑन दिस पैरेलल लाइंस. दैट्स व्हाई दिस सेट इज अ नल सेट. Now the second question is, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? The set of months of a year, it's obvious there are 12 months in a year, so this set is a finite set. This is infinite because here it is given natural number from because this set has infinite natural numbers. Now the third one is finite. Why this is finite? This contains finite number of elements 1 to 100. The set of positive integers greater than 100. This is not finite. The set of positive integers greater than 100. This is an infinite set because positive integers greater than 100 are infinite in numbers. बहुत सारे हैं integers जो 100 से greater है. That's why this is not finite set. That is the set of prime numbers less than 99. This is finite set because the number of prime numbers less than 99 are finite. Third question is, state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. The first one is the set of lines which are parallel to the x axis. So suppose ये मान लिया आपने x axis है ये आपका x and this y. So you can draw as many lines parallel to x axis. ठीक है, आप बहुत सारी लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हो parallel to x axis. That's why the set of lines which are parallel to x axis infinite. Okay. The set of letters in English alphabet, obvious 26 letters, finite set. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. There are so many numbers which are multiple of 5 like 5, 10, 15, 20. ठीक है, बहुत सारे हैं. That's why this set is infinite set. Next is the set of animals living on the earth. The set of animals living on the earth is finite, although it's a big number but is finite. Now the fifth is the set of circles passing through the origin. So there are many circles which can pass through the origin like this. The first one is this, the second one is this. Like this you can draw as many circles which can pass through the origin. So then so this set is infinite set. The fourth one is in the following state whether A equal to B or not. यहाँ पे हमें शो करना है A सेट जो है B के बराबर है या नहीं. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, for two sets must be equal, all the elements of A will be the element of B and all the element of B must be in A. ठीक है, तो A के सारे एलिमेंट्स B में होने चाहिए और B के सारे एलिमेंट्स A में होने चाहिए. देन वी कैन से A इक्वल टू B. तो ऑर्डर मैटर नहीं करता, ऑर्डर से मैं कुछ लेना देना नहीं, सिर्फ एलिमेंट्स होने चाहिए. किस ऑर्डर में रिटन है डजंट मैटर. तो हियर द फर्स्ट सेट इज A इक्वल टू A B C D B D C B. You can easily see that all the elements of A are in B and all the elements of B are in A. In that case, A equal to B. In the second part, A equal to is 4, 8, 12 and 16 and B equal to, so you can easily see that 12 belong to A but 12 does not belong to B. This implies A not equal to B. And the third is A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is the set X is a positive even integer and X less or equal to 10. तो पहले हम B को कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं रोस्टर फॉर्म में. तो B सेट इज बेसिकली कौन सा सेट है, 2 ऑल द इवन इंटीजर्स, देन 2, 4, 6, 8 एंड 10 जो कि 10 से लेस है. तो आप इजीली देख सकते हो दोनों सेट्स सेम है, A के सारे एलिमेंट्स B में और B के सारे एलिमेंट्स सेम में है. इन दैट केस here A equal to B. In the fourth, A set is X such that X is a multiple of 10 and B is this set. ठीक है, तो A में जो है सारे मल्टीपल 10 के और B में 10, 15, 20. तो you can easily see that 15 is in B but 15 does not belong to A. This implies in that case A not equal to B. The next question is, are the following pair of sets equal? Give regions. The first one is A is the set containing 2 and 3 and B X is that X is a solution of this quadratic equation. तो हम इसे सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 6 इक्वल टू 0. दिस कैन बी रिटन एज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 2x प्लस 6 इक्वल टू 0 एंड can be written as x plus 3 and x plus 2 equal to 0. This implies x equal to minus 3 and minus 2. ठीक है, तो यहाँ इसके जो एलिमेंट्स हो गए B के, बेसिकली कौन कौन से एलिमेंट है, x B में minus 3 and minus 2 और A में कौन से एलिमेंट्स है 2 and 3. You can easily see that in that case A not equal to B. And the second one is A X is a letter in the word follow. It is equal to हो गया, ये हो जाएगा आपका W, O है, L है, F है. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे भी सेम W, O, L, F. You can easily say that the sets are equal. At last, the question number 6, from the set given below, select equal set. So you can easily see that A is not equal to B because 8 in A but not in B. B also not equal to C. There are elements such as 3 which is in B but not in C. That's why B is not equal to C. तो आप easily देख सकते हो कि all the elements of D and all the elements of B और D के एलिमेंट सेम है, इसलिए B equal to D है. and the another set is here G equal to 1 and minus 1 and equal to minus 1 and minus 1. बस ये दो सेट्स इक्वल है आपस में, अदरवाइज ऑल आर डिफरेंट. So that's all for today. So guys, see you in the next video. In the next video we will do the exercise 1.3. Till then, bye bye. Okay, thank you.